Alright, thank you very much for tuning into Shadow's Adventures here. Yeah, the 11th of September 2025. And Shadow's just eating some Brazilian chicken bones. Very happy doggy. Alright, let's see what we got. Some cemento. It's in the finishing. Finishing, yep. It's gonna be the workshop. Workshop. Yeah, let's keep going here. What else we got going on here today? Alright, let's keep going here. What do we got? We got the there's some new pipes here. I had some pipes in the floor, but it wasn't right. It wasn't right. There's something wrong with the pipe because the pump is running and running and running and running. So there's a leak somewhere in there. But as you can see, the water is running. Water's running. Right, so it does work, but this whole system. Anyway, I'm putting this brand new system in here, and I got all my fittings. Right, all these fittings here. We got what do we got? PPR and all this stuff. Pipe fusion machine. As you can see, pipe fusion machine here. We're gonna make some. See what it does? It melts the plastic. You see, it melts the plastic, and then you can ensure a forever fit. Right, so forever fit. We just cooked some Brazilian chicken here in the rice cooker. Here we got not in the rice cooker, sorry, in the that's the rice cooker here. But this is the oven. No, we just cooked the Brazilian chicken with some good stuff. Here we got some really nice electrical outlets here. Very nice electrical outlets here. And we got our dynamic fittings here. Hydrodynamic PPR fittings here. Special custom made from China. Not custom made, but it's hard to get. Alright, so what do we got here? We got the demolition hammer going on. Makita demolition hammer. And we're doing some welding. We got a brand new door here. That's what we're doing here. Welding a door. This is a steel plate. And then we got the welder on the other side of the plate here. Yeah, no, because the hose is not connected because it's the door. No, the hose is not connected. Sorry, we're gonna get this hose here. So we're welding over here. We got my older guy. I can just not breathe in the fumes here. All right. So we're gonna do a little trench here. Because the hose is not connected. The hose only. So the hose. So then the PPR, we're gonna put a full PPR here. Is gonna go here, and then over here to this T here. Over here, I'm gonna get a T. I don't actually have it, and then it's inside this concrete pillar here. Put that over here. So that's the work today. Yeah. I'm gonna remove this old thing here. Alright, so yeah. Yeah, open the lights. I don't know. Alright. And for the this is the platform here. Platform and the beams here, hopefully gonna be pouring on Saturday, hopefully. That is really busy, yeah, really busy. Talking about busy, we got some crazy kids going on. Crazy kids. Yeah. All right, so that's what's going on here. Yeah, an update here on the 7th of on the 11th of September. Yeah, 11th of September here. All right, we got some 3/4 pipe. Add some 1/2-inch pipe, but we're just going to call it 25 mm and 20 mm because I hate talking about 1/2 inch. Oh, these kids are making a huge noise in my video. The Hilti there, Hilti drill, yeah, that's a nice Hilti drill over there. Cheap. Yeah. 7-inch. Over there. So that's what's going on. Flowing water over here. Green background. Sorry about that background. Green background. Yeah, right on. Yeah, this water's not flowing right. There's something going on here. So this is really gonna be. Let's see, I made this fusion over here. This is gonna be good. It's gonna go in this trench here. This is gonna be good. Yeah, we're gonna connect these together. There's no sense in cutting the water right now since we're not done preparing. So we're only gonna cut it when we're done preparing. You prepare first, and then you cut the water. That's what you're gonna do. Then in the back, I'm missing a 3/4 T. I'm missing either a reducer or a 3/4 T, a 3/4 T. I gotta go to the store and buy a 3/4 T. But it's no big deal. Just go to the hardware store, Gia Hardware maybe. Get a 3/4 T. What else we got? Some wire, electrical wire here. The Hilti brand tools here, Hilti brand tools. Yeah, this is the UD, Universal Drill. So that's a wire. We're going to be doing some electrical work. Keep him busy here. Keep him busy. Lots of stuff here. The generator's not running. I don't know what's going on with my generator. I gotta get that fixed. I gotta get that. I tried to start it. It's a Houseman. This generator's not working. I hate things that are not working. I lived with that all my life, things that are not working. This generator's not firing up. It's probably just a stupid problem. Anyway, I gotta get that looked at. Let's check up my door here.
Telepon. Huh?
Are you done?
Not yet. Water in the CRs. Flowing. What do you think he's thinking when he's seeing all this stuff, huh, Shadow? What do you think he thinks about? You want some more bones? He's thinking, how can I get some more bones? Give me some bones there. There's bones over there. I can put on the video. Give me some bones there. Yeah, there's the bones. Alright, bones. 1, 2, 3, 4 bones. Here's bones. He's happy. He's a happy pooch. Yeah, Shadow. Huh? Yeah. Shady. Yeah. There's a happy Shadow. Yeah, it's a no-name brand. It's not a branded dog. It's just a no-name dog, but yeah, he's good for company, I guess, and eating bones and everything. He likes that. Oh, there's some meat on there. I should have done a better job at being a scavenger. Before I give him the bones, I usually take the meat off it, but as for the video, I guess it makes for a fun video here. Is eating the bones. That's a pretty good video. What do we do today? He's finishing and demolition and all that stuff. I should have took a video when he was using the demolition hammer. That's very noisy anyway. But yeah, we got the water back and everything. Yeah. Right on. Good video.